Hi everyone, in this lecture I am going to show how to write code in text editors and execute that in your PowerShell or command prompt. Okay, text editor. There are different types of text editor available online like Notepad++, Notepad, Atom, Vim, TextLime Text. And here I am going to use Atom text editor to write codes. First of all, what is Atom Editor? Atom Editor, I'm going to use Atom. I have told you that Atom Editor is created by GitHub. You can download the editor from the following website. Now I will show you what it will be look like. Yeah, this is the Atom Editor. If you open and install this, if you install this Atom Editor, it will be looking like this for the first time. For every time also it will be looking like this. If you uncheck this, okay. Now if you need to write some code, right? Okay, for that you need to add some folders. Okay, file, I need to add project folder. Okay, add project folder. In my desktop I am going to write something, say create some variable like let's say py. Okay, py, enter. So, okay, py is not here, so I am going to create one thing called okay, here I can write py test. Okay, after that I'm going to select that. After that I'm going to select that folder, right? After selecting the folder, you can see it will be empty. What you need to do is you need to right click, you need to add new file. Then you will get the enter the file name. Let's say something like print. Yeah, print.py, enter. Okay, now we can close this tabs. Okay, now I'm going to write code here. Yeah, print print, let's say hi, how are you? Okay, before this I need to tell you that there is one thing very important while doing programming, that is called commenting. Okay, if you write hash and if you write hash and if you write, you can write anything. Let's say first of all, what maximum number of people will do is they will write what this program will do if you execute in the first line. Let's say it will print some statement. Okay, if you write like this, I will tell you why you should read to write like this. If you write like this, if someone other than you opens this code and sees what is this code about, then by seeing the first line they can tell what is this code meant, what you will get if you execute this code. And I also tell you that you can add comments by here also by writing this hash and write this is print statement. Yeah, in the following lectures I may not be used I will not be using some of these commands, but I recommend you to write these commands because let us say you are itself searching for some bug, otherwise you are seeing this code or you need to alter this code after some days like 1 month or 2 months. If you open that code, definitely I can say that you can't understand what you have written. Even though you have written the code, you can't understand. Yeah, it is happening to me also. So I recommend you to write codes if you are doing some important things. At least if you are doing some specific operations separately in the code, I recommend you to write commands for this. Okay, now I will show you how to execute this in PowerShell. Okay, I have saved this right in py test folder in desktop. Like I said before, what you need to do is you need to go to that directory, that is cd space desktop, right? Desk, I told you this. If you press tab, you will get like this. Now cd is nothing but create directory, cd space now pytest, right? Pytest. Okay, if you press okay, now what I need to do is I need to execute that. In order to execute, you need to give to by which program you need to execute. py -3, let's say what is the file name? Do you remember the file name? Okay, I will see print py. Okay, print dot py, enter. Okay, now you can see it is printing, hi, how are you? Okay, you don't need to think about print statement, what is this, what is here writing. No, you don't think about that. You just observe how to write code in Atom and execute in PowerShell. Okay, if you are having another doubt, I will show you how to do that in Notepad++ also. I'm having Notepad++. I'm going to write the same thing. Okay, I will increase the font size. Where is that? Okay, view. Zoom. Okay, I don't know where that is. Okay, settings, import shortcuts, enter power. Okay, I'm not using this. Okay, I will just tell you how I'm going to write that. I'm going to write the same statement, hi, how are you? Okay, I am close this. I'm going to save this in which folder? I'm going to say in desktop. I'm going to save in that py test. Yeah, there is which program we have written in Atom. Yep, new. Okay, here you need to give .py, otherwise what you can see is here there are a lot of initially it will be saved as test, right? Okay, save. Yep, now you can see that the name is changed, new.py. I'm going to execute this. Okay, I will show you what are the things that are present in this directory ls. You can see there are 2 files with the length this, and I have created the time. Okay, now if I need to execute this, I need to write py -3 new.py. Yep, enter. Yeah, now you got the like this only. You need to write codes in your text editors, and you can execute that in your PowerShell or command prompt. Once I am telling you, command prompt and PowerShell are nothing but the same. This is actually for Windows. If you are using Mac or Linux, there are certain things. I need you to check that in internet, or I will show you. I will add some notes regarding this in next lecture if it's possible. Okay, that's it for this lecture, I think so. Okay, thank you.